Alright, nothing on the departure end, nothing on the approach end. Lights are gonna all come on. And we'll just leave those on during the flight because it's all LED anyway.
Okay.
Alright, clear, we're on the right frequency. Going on the ADSP. Lewis traffic, Sky 361, leaving uniform, depart runway 27, good part in the area to the west. Lewis. So you flew in his plane, the light sport?
No, not that one.
Yeah, you're talking about the blue Cherokee?
Yes, the Cherokee,
yeah.
that's what it was.
I can't remember people's names over there, but I know the planes.
It's Gary, he's so sweet. Once you get him chatting though, he doesn't stop.
Yeah.
Rotate 55.
Yep, rotate at 55. 55, rotate. Good oil pressure, good oil temperature. Climbing away at BY, which is 74.
Cool.
Get that trim down a little bit. I don't have electric trim on my side, so.
Oh, you don't?
No, they don't give us that. Come on.
Not on that side, no.
No. None of the manufacturers do it. Lewis traffic, Sky 361, leaving from the front area to the west Elvis. Top that over.
Touch knots, grade, represent 412.
Yep. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361, leaving from the DFR with the quest off of Lewis.
I'm sorry, who's that?
Skyhawk 361, leaving uniform.
Tag 361, uniform, Chicago approach, altimeter 2992, go ahead with the request.
2992, and we'd like to request a series of practice approaches if you have time, starting with the Aurora localizer 33.
November 361, Lima uniform, reset transponder to walk 5115.
5115 for 1 uniform.
Reset 412, descend and maintain 2500. Do you have field to sight off your right in 10 mode? Reset 412, descend and maintain 10 mode.
Block.
Represent 412, 2500, and we do not have a field yet. We'll let you know. Represent
Looks so
412.
cool, I haven't flown up here soon yet.
No?
No.
You haven't been flying long then.
No, I just started in April.
Okay. Well, you've been pretty quick.
Yeah, I got like 120 hours now, so I'm getting
November
there.
361, Lima uniform, radar contact, 3 miles west Lewis Airport, altitude indicates 2600.
I checked 1 uniform.
Roger, what do you want to do after the RNAV?
After the localizer 33 at Aurora, I'd like to go miss and we'd like to do the RNAV 8 at Lincoln Hills.
November 361, Lima uniform, roger, flighting 270.
2704 Lima uniform.
At 0213 Zulu. Breaking action for all taxiways and aprons.
November 361, Lima uniform, flighting 300, intercept localizer.
300, intercept the localizer for 1 Lima uniform.
Quarter-inch wet snow observed December
November
28th
361, Lima
at
uniform,
1823 Zulu.
VFR traffic, 11 o'clock and 3 miles northeastbound, type altitude unknown.
We're looking 1 Lima uniform. 1 Lima uniform has Golf and Aurora.
November 361, Lima uniform, roger. You can contact Aurora Tower now, 120.6.
120.6 for 1 Lima. Thank you. Aurora Tower, Sky 361 Lima uniform on the practice localizer 33. Going this way.
Sky 361 Lima uniform, Aurora Tower, roger. Report your miss.
Report miss. Is there any, will you call my miss? Because I don't know when you want me to break off here. Or is he just going to have me go down to minimums? Should say that.
If it's 1 Lima uniform, you could go as close as the missed approach point, just about a mile off the approach end.
Alright, we'll go down to the missed approach point for that 1 Lima uniform. 1.1 is going to be first. And dip below, there's 1.1 going missed. Tower 1 uniform's going missed.
Well, uniform Roger. 35 to the north is approved. And were you wanting to talk back with Chicago?
Oh, that'd be great. We're just going to go up to like 2,000-ish.
All right, November 1 Lima uniform Roger. You contact Chicago departure.
Or departure 1. Thank you. Alright, so we're missed, so we're going to keep climbing here. Chicago departure, Sky 361 Lima uniform. Missed off the practice, localizer 33 to Aurora, requesting vectors for the RNAV runway 8 into Lincoln Hills. That was very long-winded.
November 361 Lima uniform, contact approach on 133.5.
133.5 for 1 Lima uniform. We're going to level off here 2,000.
Alright.
November 21 Foxtrot Echo, reduce speed to 170.
We could probably just take 27 if that works with them. Hey, Charlie Papa.
Hey, Charlie Papa. All right, let me speak with them and I'll get back to you.
Okay, no worries. Thanks.
Chicago departure, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform. What missed off of the localizer 33 at Aurora, like to request the vectors for the RNAV 8 into Lincoln Hills.
For 361 Lima uniform, Roger. The Midway altimeter 2993.
2993 for 1 Lima uniform. RNAV 8.
Number 1 Lima uniform, a couple of VFR targets, 1 o'clock and 3 miles, both maneuvering, both indicating 2,600.
Any of them in sight?
I got one in sight.
We have one in sight, we're going to be looking for the other 1 Lima uniform. Alright, so we're looking at the approach here, touchdown zone elevation is going to be 887 feet. Touch the runway length is going to be 3,400.
1 Lima uniform, contact approach 120.55 is your request.
120.55, 1 Lima uniform.
Delta's calling.
Alright.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform, 2,500.
Sky 361 Lima uniform, Chicago approach, deal here. Number 2992. I understand you want to do the practice RNAV 8 up at Lincoln Hills.
That's affirmative, and we'd like to go missed, and then after that we'd like to do the DOR runway 26 into Lincoln Hills as well.
361 Lima uniform, Roger.
Alright. I didn't give him the whole, I don't want to give him the whole flight time, but, you know.
Traffic's turning back around.
361 Lima uniform, were you going to go, did you want to just go direct tonic now and do the procedure turn, or vectors out to the west and come straight in?
We'll go direct to tonic, and then we'll do the procedure turn. That'd be awesome.
361 uniform, Roger. Does it give you that VFR traffic there just off of your right side, 1 to 2 o'clock, mile and a half, same altitude?
Are you looking for him?
I'm looking for him.
We're looking 1 Lima uniform.
361 uniform, direct tonic, report the procedures are inbound.
We'll report tonic, and we'll report the procedure turn inbound 1 Lima uniform. Yeah, Jesus!
Same, it's okay.
VFR sectional.
Oh, I got him in sight, yeah.
361 Lima uniform, that VFR traffic, same direction to you, maybe cutting slightly over to the west. They're about a half mile now, 1 o'clock.
We got him in sight 1 Lima uniform. We're climbing to 2,800 for now.
Yeah, keep it climbing.
Southwest 259, 8,800, climbing 15,250 knots.
That one don't sound right. There you are, so it's 259, you should be on 120.35.
35, we'll get there, 259.
Have a go.
LPV?
Yeah, LPV, so that's going to be...
361 Lima uniform, additional traffic, 2 o'clock, 2 miles, westbound, 2,500, type unknown.
We'll look at 1 Lima uniform.
This should be 5 minutes below.
I see it right there.
That was 5620, climb and maintain 15,000.
Alright, and then we're going to go to... Sing. After
361 Lima uniform, additional traffic, 11 o'clock, 4 miles, southbound, 2,900 feet, type unknown. A mile behind them, is another one southbound 3,100 feet.
We're looking one Lima uniform.
Traffic's no factor.
361 Lima uniform, you will see traffic here eventually. They're southwest superposition, 4 miles. We turn to the northeast shortly. It's a citation. They'll be 1,000 feet above you.
Roger, we'll be looking one Lima uniform. Or that's the schedule of the citation.
Okay.
Disregarding them, this is Mike here.
361 Lima uniform, just south of Tonic there, you're 12 to 1 o'clock, 4 miles, maneuvering 2 aircraft, 2,600 feet indicated on both, type unknown.
Roger, we're looking one Lima uniform. We have them on the Aegis.
Roger. One Lima uniform, ready for change advisory is approved.
Change advisory is approved.
What do you just approve me for?
Change advisory.
Advisory?
Yep, so that's the CTAP.
Oh,
So 5 clicks for weather?
Unicom? Yeah. Try it slower.
Lake in the Hills Airport. VFR Automated Weather Advisory. Automated Weather Observing System. Temporarily inoperative.
Wonderful.
What?
So we're going down to
Alright,
1360 now. 1360 is our minimums.
Did they just say the weather's...
Lake and Hills traffic, Warrior 1047 is held going around, Lake and Hills.
I don't know what they're using there.
Yeah. Lake in the Hills traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is about 10 miles to the west of the airport on a practice RNAV runway 8. Going to be going mist and then head out to the east, Lake in the Hills. Lake in the Hills traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform about 4 mile final runway 8 on a practice RNAV 8. Going to be going mist to the east, Lake in the Hills.
This guy.
Minimums.
Lake in the Hills traffic, Skyhawk 361 from 1 mile final runway 8 practice RNAV 8 going to be going mist out to the east, Lake in the Hills. Chicago departure, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform. Missed off the practice RNAV 8 at Lake in the Hills, requesting vectors for the VOR 26 Lake in the Hills.
361 Lima uniform, IDEF.
IDEF Lima uniform.
It's about to be shelf.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
1 Lima uniform, radar cut.
And we'll just go on this heading for now.
1 Lima uniform, fly heading at 120.
120 from 1 Lima uniform. You have to purposely program it for like a mad course when you're purposely trying to go.
1 Lima uniform, flying 090.
Thank you, 090 from 1 Lima uniform.
1 Lima uniform, 10 lost 360.
About 360 from 1 Lima uniform. What kind of climb rate are you getting that one?
Departure, uniform, 300, join the final first course.
Was that for 1 Lima uniform?
300 to join the final.
Yes, to join the final for the, I think, please said 300 for the final first course.
Affirmative.
So at J8.
Lima uniform 3 from Hezla, 2,500 till established, go to RNF 26.
Go cleared the RNAV 26 for 1 leaving uniform.
We're like 5 miles from the airport, so I'm gonna ask.
Yeah, I would.
Is 1 leaving uniform clear to switch to advisory?
1 leaving uniform, change advisory is approved. We'll see you.
See ya.
Alright, so we're about 3 miles, 4 miles from the airport.
Yep.
Lincoln Hills traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform is about 4 miles to the east of the airfield on the practice VOR runway 26, going to be circling, landing runway 8, Lincoln Hills.
Circling, we're landing 8.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, and it's left traffic, I believe.
It is.
So we're gonna break off to the right.
Lincoln Hills traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform is left down runway 18.
I'm gonna start slowing down here. So we're gonna try keeping it tight. So 1500 RPM. Below the white arc, 10 degrees. Pitch that nose down, 1985.
Lincoln Hills traffic, Charlie 1841 X-ray, 4 miles to the southwest. Will be overhead the airport, Indian left downwind 08, Lincoln Hills.
There goes one of the GoPros. I got another battery. I could change that out. One around the ground. Full flaps. Approach speed is 65.
Lincoln Hills traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform, left base runway 8, Lincoln Hills.
It'll still save your footage, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't know how to use my GoPro. I just got it.
And power is idle, which is about right for initial approach. You want to keep it really tight.
Okay.
Lincoln Hills traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform, final runway 8, Lincoln Hills.
Put a little bit of power in. I got the display threshold. Let that nose come down. We're a little slow. Oh, not as nice as I wanted.
It's okay. Still good.